Saturday, and today we have a really festive day planned. We're gonna have a really nice fall festivities day. We're getting pumpkins and Halloween decorations, and we're gonna have a spooky party tonight. Come in.
Oh, we did vlog?
Yeah. This is what I'm wearing. This t-shirt I got, where did I get this? Oh yeah, at like a vintage store. I was like, and then these jeans are Brandy Melville, and then my shoes are Docs. I have to get some coffee because Claire didn't think I was, like, my mind was okay. So, needed some caffeine, honestly. Just got to Michael's and we're ready to get some festive things. Yep, this mood.
Curious.
We got this cauldron. Sierra's gonna make a drink and we're gonna put the cauldron. So what? Now you get it. Alright, so we just got home and I'll show you some festive things that we got. Also, the candles at Michael's are actually amazing. It was 3 for $10 and they smell really good. These lights are shaped like candy corn, which is huge. We got some festive buckets to put candy in, also huge. This situation is extremely festive. Isn't he cute? I think he's like cute and scary. And we want to put him like at some point when people walk in and maybe they'll get scared. I don't know. Wait, let's see. See, pumpkin carving materials because we're gonna go to the park soon and carve pumpkins. And I'm super excited for that actually. Right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's later in the night now, and we are getting ready for our festive party gathering thing. How's everyone feeling?
Pretty good. I'm so excited.
Really?
Yeah, I'm looking forward. We're having like a very festive fall party.
Friendtoberfest. Friendtoberfest. Yeah, I'm running a little bit behind. I need to like put clothes on my body, but.
Do you guys see what you do?
Okay, so I guess I will just show you what I'm wearing tonight. This entire outfit is actually from Aritzia, except for my shoes, which are just my platform Docs. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but this shirt is like a dark green color, and my pants are like this cool plaid, Scotch tape kind of vibes. So Claire and I worked really hard on these decorations. I mean, she mainly hung them up, and I like helped her to decide like where.
We have our favorite decorator. What's his name?
Boo.
Boo! He's really cute, really spooky, scary.
Yeah.
And then we have our streamers?
Yeah. Festive Halloween streamers.
Halloween streamers.
Yes.
And then candy corn lights.
Yes.
And then we have
This is my favorite part.
On the mantle.
These ones are cute because they have
little pumpkins on them. We have our cider donut candle with our 2 beautiful pumpkins. And then some candy. Want to show them the cauldron.
Candy. Hey, Jen.
Right. This is big. We're blocking the cauldron.
Basically poison.
Pour it in here.
Yeah. These more at parties.
It's a really wild party.
This is what it's like.
Because I finished it. Look how wild we are.
What? I need like a lot of Hi, we're at the party. We're having a really great time.
And comment below.
Nice shirt. Dude, I have your hat on my hat. I keep forgetting
Dropped out how we rolling down on call the sound. She said, like a
Subscribe to my channel. And you know, this is just like the normalcy. Just like hanging out, you know, Saturday night. Like, yeah. It's happy fall. Cheers to vlogging. Yeah, vlogging. Love vlogs.
I can't wait to marry John Hamm.
John Hamm, right?
I love him. I love.
Oh wait.
Love men that are mad at me. Hashtag mad men.
Oh, here we go.
Is this
We're
like
good now.
advertising for Mad Men?
I don't know, but look who it is.
We're vlogging. So we're Sydney's friends. Hi, Sydney. Super cool. Party.
I hope you having. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Look, it's all.
Hi, I'm Claire.
Hi, I'm Sierra, and that's Sydney. You can call me Mac.
Hey guys, and good morning. I have to leave for class in 2 minutes ago. Anyway, good morning and happy Halloween. It is Wednesday, October 31st. Very spooky. I hope you have an amazing and spooky holiday. It is Wednesday, so I have class today, which is kind of unfortunate. I was starting to edit some of the footage from that fall festive party thing, and I thought that it'd be cool to show you guys what actual Halloween at Scad looks like. A lot of people actually went out for Halloween last weekend. I guess it was Halloween. I didn't really get the memo. My friends and I weren't really feeling going out for Halloween on Halloween. I'm not sure why, but that's just, you know, the way that it happened. So we really want to dress up and go out for Halloween tonight, even though it is a Wednesday. Tonight, myself, Claire, and Jenna, we're all being Powerpuff Girls. I'm being the pink one, Blossom. I feel like I'm never super creative with Halloween costumes, or I feel like I am being creative and then Halloween happens and then like 10 other people are doing the same costume as me. I love Halloween though. It's one of my favorite holidays. And yes, to answer your question, I am wearing this Halloween necklace to class. I don't understand people who don't like Halloween. Halloween's so fun. Okay, I guess I will show you what I'm wearing today. This cropped collar is from Brandy Melville. This skirt is Free People. These shoes are Urban Outfitters, I believe. This necklace, my mom sent it to me and she probably got it from CVS. Alright guys, so it's the afternoon now. It's after my class. I have to run to a quick doctor's appointment. My Uber is here. But after that, the festivities will begin. And yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, hey guys, so I'm back from the doctor's. Wow, I'm in the same spot that I was this morning. It kind of looks like I haven't moved all day, but I promise I have a little bit. So I wanted to sit down with you guys and talk about something I'm about to do that might end in a disaster. I'm dyeing some of my hair pink for my Powerpuff Girl costume. I kind of just wanted a relatively cheap option off of Amazon, so I got this Garnier Color Styler Intense Washout Hair Color. A little bit afraid actually of the word intense, but I guess we'll figure it out. I don't know how to do this because I'm going to be wearing my hair like half up, half down like this tonight. So I don't know if I should like tie some of it up and then dye it. I don't know. I also don't know if you guys even care about this. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put on my hair. Like, this could be so bad. Step 3, I shook the bottle and now I need to squeeze it onto my hands, onto my gloves. This is scary because now I'm gonna have to actually do stuff. Okay, and then it just says I apply it straight onto my head, right onto my head, and then I just brush it out. Weird. All right, I'm doing it, I guess. So as you can kind of see, I guess, I did like one small piece. I'm gonna do more and then check back in with you because this is a lot more stressful than I thought. So be right back. All right, so last time I talked to you guys, I was figuring out my hair, which I guess I kind of figured it out. This is just as good as it's gonna get. And then I did most of my makeup and I have to finish getting ready.
Or slam. You have to get it hard.
Oh, with you. What are you, Wonder Woman?
I'm Wonder Woman.
Love it. Nicole?
Christmas.
Amazing. Maddie? Oh my god, I love it. Okay, Claire?
Bubble.
Yeah, we know. Okay. Genevieve's my
Highlighter.
And Jenna is the last.
Buttercup.
Powerpuff Girl. Oh my god, why is it blurry? Hold on.
Buttercup.
There we go.
Costumes make sense now.
I'm a fireball.